Our phones are awesome, but they keep our hands busy and our heads down. Meet Norm Glasses.
A new way to experience technology and the world around you in one breathtaking moment. Norm Glasses takes nearly all the functionality of your phone, refines it, and puts it right in front of you. A microcomputer is embedded inside the frame, complete with CPU, storage, battery, microphone, speakers, camera, and a display system that projects your desired information into your field of view.
Hello?
Answer phone calls.
Hey, Aaron!
Take photos and videos. Navigate in a new place. View videos or instructions. Translate languages. Set or see reminders. Stereo open-ear speakers on the frame arms allow you to listen to messages, podcasts, and music without blocking surrounding sound. Anywhere you go, head up and hands-free. Technology matters. Life matters. And when they come together in a way that brings out the best in both of them, it just makes sense. Enjoy life in style. Head up and hands-free. Back our campaign today and discover the new norm.